So you're a boss, eh? Becoming a boss is the ultimate leadership chicken and the egg scenario. Which comes first, the official title of leader or doing leadership things? I think it's about doing leadership things before you get the official title. If you want to head down the leadership track, you need to make sure that your resume, cover letter, and LinkedIn are less about your individual contributions and more about how you've led others to create results. Today, let's look at 10 tips to show you're a leader without the official title. Number 1, review your existing achievements on your resume and LinkedIn. Reflect on how these highlighted leadership capabilities and rework and reword them. You don't need to scrap everything and start new. Reframe and rewrite. Number 2, if that doesn't work, take a look at your Kickass Kudos file and grab more leadership-focused achievements. If you're not sure what the Kickass Kudos file is, or maybe this is the first time you're hearing about it, I've included a link to a video in the comments below where I talk about all the work wins you should be tracking basically until you retire. Number 3, identify times that you've mentored or coached your peers to learn, improve, or excel, and what the result was. Not all mentors are part of a formal mentoring program. When you take the time to help a colleague, especially without being asked, this shows that you're truly a leader at heart. Number 4, highlight examples of when you've been entrusted with leading high-profile initiatives. This could be a program, could be a team-building exercise, could be an event. If you were entrusted with taking the lead, this means that you're already perceived as a leader. Number 5, showcase the ways you've brought together or mobilized diverse teams. Maybe you served on a committee, perhaps you're leading a project. Talk about how you brought cross-functional teams together and what the result was. Number 6, use commanding language to highlight your achievements. This is where action-focused verbs come in. Gone are the days of saying that you supported anything. Talk about how you took charge or steered initiatives. Job Jenny has a great verb list on the Muse, which I've included a link to in the comments below. Number 7, indicate on your resume and LinkedIn any leadership development training that you've taken. You can note this in a couple places actually. First, if you were selected from multiple colleagues to take part in this leadership development training, you can indicate it as an accomplishment under the applicable role. Also, you can showcase this under your education section. Number 8, highlight any volunteer work you've done where you've been a leader. For example, maybe you served on a board or you coordinated a group of volunteers to put on an event. There are many ways that you can highlight leadership potential and capabilities through your volunteer work. Number 9, leverage your cover letter to tell more of your story. While your resume may now clearly identify that you're on the leadership track, it won't necessarily tell the why behind why you want to be a leader. Use your cover letter to express your interest in moving into a leadership role, how you think you can make a greater impact in that capacity, and how and why you're equipped to do so. Number 10, stake your leadership claim on LinkedIn. We can take much more creative license on LinkedIn. You can say a lot more and in even more engaging ways. Use your headline and summary to stake your claim as an aspiring or future leader. Use keywords, and particularly in your summary, tell a story about where you've been and where you're headed as a future leader. Tell me in the comments below your questions about transforming your resume to be more focused on leadership roles. Also, tell me in the comments below all your burning resume, cover letter, LinkedIn, job searching questions. Many of these videos are in response to viewer questions, so ask away. I post new videos every Tuesday, and because algorithms, connect with me on LinkedIn, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get notifications, and follow me on Instagram. And as always, stay tuned for next Tuesday's Tuesday 10. Thanks for joining.